Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Rustic living rooms evoke a sense of warmth, comfort, and connection to nature. Here's what defines a rustic-style living room design: natural materials, wood. Wood is the star of the show. Exposed beams, wooden furniture, and natural wood floors create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Look for reclaimed wood or pieces with a weathered finish for added character. Stone accents, like a stone fireplace or a slate coffee table, add a touch of texture and grandeur to the space. Natural fibers, woven baskets, sisal rugs, and jute accents introduce a natural element and complement the wood and stone elements. Color palette, earthy tones like brown, beige, green, and cream create a warm and grounded base. Pops of color can be introduced through throw pillows, artwork, or floral arrangements, but the overall feel should remain natural. Furniture, comfy and functional. Rustic furniture prioritizes comfort and functionality over sleek lines. Think overstuffed armchairs, leather sofas, and chunky wooden coffee tables. Vintage touches. Vintage furniture pieces, like a clawfoot coffee table or a rustic armoire, add character and a touch of history to the space. Wrought iron accents. Wrought iron elements, like a fireplace screen or a chandelier, add a touch of rustic charm. Textiles and textures, cozy throws and pillows. Layer plush throws and decorative pillows in natural fibers like wool, linen, or sheepskin to add comfort and texture. Animal prints, cowhide rugs, sheepskin throws, or throw pillows with wildlife motifs add a touch of rustic charm, but use them sparingly to avoid overwhelming the space. Lighting, warm and inviting. The lighting should be warm and inviting. Opt for table lamps with burlap shades, sconces with Edison bulbs, or a statement chandelier in wrought iron. Natural light. Large windows that allow for natural light are crucial in a rustic living room. Decorative accents, nature-inspired decor. Bring the outdoors in with decorative accents like pine cones, branches in a rustic vase, or framed botanical prints. Metal accents, metal lanterns, candle holders, or vintage metal signs add a touch of rustic charm. Fireplace as centerpiece. A fireplace is often the focal point of a rustic living room. A stone fireplace with a chunky wooden mantle creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Overall vibe, a rustic living room should feel comfortable, inviting, and connected to nature. It's a space that encourages relaxation and creates a sense of cozy refuge. Why design a rustic living room? Craving a living room that's warm, inviting, and brimming with a connection to nature? Look no further than the rustic style. Here's why you might choose this cozy and natural aesthetic: warm and welcoming. Rustic living rooms exude warmth and comfort. Natural materials like wood and stone create a sense of security and a perfect space to unwind after a long day. Timeless appeal. Rustic design transcends trends. Earthy tones and natural materials ensure your living room will stay stylish for years to come. Budget-friendly. Embrace the beauty of imperfection. You can refinish old furniture, incorporate vintage finds, and utilize natural elements for a unique and affordable look. Connection to nature. Bring the outdoors in. A rustic living room allows you to celebrate nature's beauty with natural materials, earthy tones, and nature-inspired decor. Relaxed and comfortable. Forget about stiff formality. Rustic living rooms prioritize comfort and function. Think plush throws, overstuffed furniture, and a layout that encourages relaxation. Getting started with your rustic living room, ready to create a cozy haven inspired by nature? Here are some steps to get you started. 1. Embrace natural materials. Wood is king. Opt for exposed beams, wooden furniture, and natural wood floors. Stone accents like a fireplace or a coffee table add a touch of grandeur. Don't be afraid of imperfections or a weathered finish, it adds character. 2. Earthy color palette. Keep the base colors natural. Think brown, beige, green, and cream to create a warm and grounded feel. Pops of color can be introduced with throw pillows, artwork, or floral arrangements, but maintain an overall natural vibe. 3. Comfy and functional furniture, prioritize comfort over sleek lines. Look for overstuffed armchairs, leather sofas, and chunky wooden coffee tables. Vintage finds like a clawfoot coffee table or a rustic armoire add a touch of history. 4. Cozy textiles and textures, layer plush throws and decorative pillows in natural fibers like wool, linen, or sheepskin. Consider a cowhide rug or a sheepskin throw for a touch of rustic charm, but use them sparingly. 5. Warm and inviting lighting, opt for table lamps with burlap shades, sconces with Edison bulbs, or a wrought iron chandelier. Maximize natural light with large windows to create a bright and airy space. 6. Nature-inspired decor, bring the outdoors in. Decorate with pine cones, branches in a rustic vase, or framed botanical prints. Metal lanterns, candle holders, or vintage metal signs add a touch of rustic charm. 7. The fireplace as a centerpiece, if possible, incorporate a fireplace. A stone fireplace with a chunky wooden mantle creates a warm and inviting focal point for your living room. 8. DIY touches, rustic style welcomes DIY projects. Repurpose old furniture, create a branch centerpiece, or knit cozy throws to personalize your space and add a touch of your own creativity. Attention nature lovers and comfort seekers. Do you dream of a living room that feels like a warm embrace, a refuge bathed in natural beauty? Then prepare to be captivated by the world of rustic living room design. This video unlocks the secrets to creating a cozy haven that celebrates the beauty of nature. Imagine a space where exposed wooden beams and natural stone accents create a sense of warmth. Rustic living rooms go beyond aesthetics, they evoke a feeling of comfort and connection to the outdoors. This video dives deep into inspiring rustic living room designs. We'll explore how to use natural materials like wood and stone to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Learn how to incorporate comfy furniture, cozy textiles, and nature-inspired accents to transform your living room into a rustic retreat. So, ditch the cold and sterile and embrace the rustic charm. Click here and watch this video to discover how to design a living room that's both stylish and comfortable, a space that reflects your love for nature and invites relaxation. Get inspired to create a rustic haven you'll never want to leave. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.